Hey guys, it's Kerwin from Providence Spyder Accessories, now just known as Providence, because we will be carrying products for all of your different vehicles. What we wanted to do here was take our new 12-volt and USB charging station off of the Ryker, mount it onto a tabletop model so that we can show you all of the features. The first feature is the ability for the unit to adjust so that you can get a custom fit based on your height. The unit comes with one high-quality USB socket and one high-quality 12-volt socket pre-installed. We've attached the USB socket to a battery so we can show you all of its cool features. The rubber cap totally covers the entire unit, and the unit glows green to let you know that it is on. The rubber cap is actually transparent so you can see if the unit is on or off. That's pretty cool. The cap itself has the ability to turn the socket on and off. On the bottom of the socket, we use rubber grommets to prevent water and dust from entering the unit. This means that this socket is fully waterproof and dustproof when the cap is on. We prove that by submerging the socket in a little container of water, and when we take this out and open it, you'll see that the unit is still functioning. This means that no water, no dust can ever enter into our sockets. These are the highest quality sockets available on the market. So as you can see, the green light is on, indicating that it's on. And there you can see the light going through the cover to prove that the cover itself has the ability to turn the socket on and off. With these sockets, you will not have to worry about accidentally leaving the unit on and draining your battery. That's a cool feature. Additional features include these 4 holes. They give you 4 different locations to attach your devices. What's nice is that 2 of the holes are bent down and out on an angle. That one bends to the left, and this one bends to the right. That means you can safely attach your phone or other devices and not block your view of the gauges. You simply attach these 4 RAM balls. They just screw right into the holes, and then you will be able to attach your devices, be it a GPS unit, cell phone, GoPro camera, whatever you want, and you will get a perfect view of all of your gauges. Now, we know a lot of you are interested in adding aftermarket accessories like this fog light or LED lights to your Ryker. So once you buy these aftermarket accessories, well, how are you going to control them? How are you going to turn them on and off? So we came up with these waterproof switches. They're extremely high quality, and they give you control over all of your accessories, such as LED lights, fog lamps, whatever you can think about adding to your bike. What's cool about our charging station is we included these 2 holes, one on the left and one on the right, and they accept these high quality waterproof switch. They simply just attach by screwing right into the hole, and now you're going to be able to control all of your aftermarket accessories. That means that this little tiny charging station gives you a lot of options. So why choose our charging station over our competition? Well, first, we give you the highest quality sockets on the market that are totally waterproof. In addition to being waterproof, both the cap and the rubber grommets that protect the wires are designed to keep out dust. This is really important for you guys on the Rally Edition Ryker should you decide to ride off-road. Our units are 100% stainless steel. We can't say the same about our competition. Some use aluminum, others use regular metal that eventually will rust. Our unit gives you the ability to attach up to 4 devices on different angles. That's important to make sure you don't block the view of your gauges. Our unit is adjustable. That means that you can get a custom fit based on your height. No other unit on the market offers you that ability. Our unit gives you the ability to add up to 2 waterproof switches. That means you can add up to 2 accessories such as LED lights or fog lights and have total control over them on your handlebars. Our unit comes in 2 sections, with each section measuring only about 3 inches by 4 inches, making us the smallest charging station on the market. That's really important, guys, because it means that you're not going to add any extra weight to the handlebars that's going to compromise the safety and performance of the vehicle. Finally, guys, our unit is designed with a wire harness that plugs directly to your battery. That means no complicated cutting and splicing of wires. You won't void any of your warranty, and installation takes only about 15 minutes. So the do-it-yourselfer can really install this unit without any problems. Thanks for watching this video, guys. We know it was a little long, but we wanted to really take the time and show you all the features that we incorporate into our accessories. This happened to be one for the Ryker, allowing you to charge just about anything on your handlebars, and again giving you those cool features to mount up to 4 devices. You now have a place where you can install switches. It's really a nice product built to the highest standards in the industry. With that said, check us out online. Give us a call, 518-316-0812 if you have any questions. And please look for our other products. Soon we'll be having items for the slingshots and all of the other recreational vehicles out there. And once again, they will all incorporate only the highest quality materials available.